Our organizational soul right now is focused on AWS and will continue to be focused on AWS. For us, we're an advisory and consulting focused organization helping companies migrate, secure, and optimize their AWS cloud infrastructure. That's very technology focused messaging, right? And so ultimately for us, that is our tool to be able to help an organization accomplish their business challenges. Organizations come to us all the time saying, hey, I have all this data and I don't know how to get the most value out of it. Or they come to us and they say, hey, I have this tactical issue where I'm not sure if we're secure and there's a lot of breaches happening in the news. I just got the 23andMe notice recently, which was sad to see. And those organizations need help, and that's great. And we get involved and we roll up our sleeves and we help drive a positive outcome to fix that specific issue. I think what tends to happen is as an organization gets to know our team, gets to meet and build trust with the overall group, we start to have a different discussion. It's no longer just, hey, I need to go fix this security issue, or hey, I need to go address this analytics problem that we're trying to define. And it could be different. So it could be a manufacturing organization saying, we're spending a lot of money in this particular domain area. We continue to have parts break. We don't know how to fix it. And so it's still addressing the same analytics need or the same data problem that they might have, but looking at it through a true business lens to be able to start taking the problems and the challenges that they're facing and tie it directly to what the leadership team's looking for and really solving that business outcome. And so when we build that trust, we're in a very special place when we can work with that customer and start to talk in their terms and start to talk about what's relevant to them and how their business operates and where they're trying to innovate to get to. And so there's another idea that just popped in my head while we're sitting here talking, where we're working with an apparel organization that helps put jerseys and equipment and apparel on kids' backs to play high school basketball. They're using Amazon to be able to fulfill and do all the normal things that you would think of from a technology stack to run their operation or e-commerce platform and engage. What's really exciting for us is with Gen AI, it's been a use case that makes a ton of sense for us. If you're a sports team and you have your colors and you're trying to design some new uniform or outfit, how can you use Gen AI to engage with that customer and give them self-service resources to be able to drive a business outcome that's going to help produce more revenue for them, have a better customer experience, and improve the overall just outcome for their organization and their customers. And so for us, that's a really exciting place to be able to play and be able to, again, bridge that gap to going to real world business outcome focused, as opposed to just talking about the speeds and feeds and the technology all day long. I think in the coming years, you're going to see Align continue to evolve as an AWS consulting partner. We're going to always help customers migrate, secure, and optimize the cloud. The reality is we're continuing to build that cloud financial management capability. FinOps is such a prevalent domain for us, and we know that customers are struggling with cloud spend and maintaining the pace of operating in cloud and just learning how to operate differently. I think that's one area that we could definitely dive a lot more into in the coming years and be able to support customers. I also think that we're going to continue to see a shift in the market of industry-focused services and products and offerings. So it's no longer acceptable to just show up to the door and say, I have the best storage platform in the world, or I have the best archiving solution. It doesn't resonate with a customer like it used to. And it's because we're looking at business outcomes as opposed to just the technology being faster or smarter or better. And so with that, we're creating a lot of offerings that are addressing specific customers' needs, leveraging specific technology that's purpose-built or packaged between third-party solution providers, the Amazon ecosystem, and ourselves to be able to combine and integrate those solutions and have it as a just-in-time experience. So you're going to see our organization continue to evolve, especially as AWS continues to evolve in this domain in the coming year, around industry-focused and verticalized solutions, meeting your needs when you need them.